Some great advice to help you with affiliate marketing. Breaking into the affiliate marketing business can be a fairly daunting task if you do not have guidance. There is a huge array of affiliate companies, all with varying products, rules, and commission structures. With a little guidance from these tips, however, you can formulate a strategy that will limit risk while maximizing revenue. Affiliate marketing is a good way to make some money without having to invest a lot of money. You don't have to invest on buying or producing products. The only thing you have to worry about when it comes to affiliate marketing is advertising and marketing. You have to make sure your website attracts enough attention to where people are clicking on the links on there and buying the products they view, giving you your income. So you may need to invest in some software that will help you to write and post interesting and relevant content. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for affiliate companies that offer lifetime commissions. This will save you from losing commissions due to the time limit the affiliate company sets between the time that a visitor is referred from you to their company and when that particular visitor makes a purchase. Be honest in your advertising as an affiliate. We all have the urge to talk things up and to let colorful rhetoric do the selling, but that's really old hat on the internet. Most people are aware of fluff pieces, and what they're seeking today is honest information about how a product is good for them. Be honest and you will do much better. No business endeavor is completely free of risk, but there are certainly ways to minimize that risk. The tips above provide a solid foundation that will help you to create and maintain a healthy affiliate marketing business. Once you bite the bullet and start making money, you'll be glad that you watched this video. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.